Recording.
All right, so we're coming out of the National Forest now. And I'm behind a squid and his girlfriend on a sport bike. Watch him ride, you'll know why I called him a squid. He's bobbling around like he's on a Harley. And I'm going to take this right and we're going to go to Gatlinburg. I don't know why, because it looks like the bypass is open. But I'm going to do just a run through, just ride through Gatlinburg with the camera running. And if you're watching this and you're from Florida, I'm going to give you something to think about. Don't get mad at me. Just think about this. If I went to Florida and I drive the way that you do when you come here, I'd get shot. So you Florida idiots who are coming up here to the mountains and driving, do better. Drive like you have some kind of motor vehicle skills or something. You folks are just annoying. I need to make my way around these people. But here it is. Welcome to Gatlinburg. And when I tell you my radar detector has been super sensitive, I got a new radar detector after I got caught in the rain last week. And this new radar detector is super duper sensitive. But at least we can't do anything wrong, because the police are right in front of us. There's a lot more people out here today than there were last Wednesday. This place was a barren wasteland last Wednesday. None of these delivery trucks were here. There was hardly anybody walking up and down the street. One day I need to come here and just hang out for a day and walk around and do this touristy crap, but someday. I probably haven't visited Gatlinburg and walked around in maybe 18 years. She getting herself a ticket or a warning. She ain't a delivery vehicle. She parked in the freaking drive lane. What an idiot. Remember, pedestrians have the right of way. If you see a pedestrian at a crosswalk, it is the law that you have to stop and let them cross. If they're standing at a crosswalk, you stop your vehicle and let them safely pass. For any of you folks that doesn't know how that works, because there's a lot of you watching this that don't know how pedestrian crosswalks work. Pedestrians always have the right of way. Alright, we're almost through this mayhem. If Night Owl Security knew how to go through a green light, way to maneuver the green light, genius. What a... Night Owl Security, learn to drive. Man. Make a right-hand turn from the left lane. Just pure genius. Pure genius. 423-477-7304. Do not call them for your security needs. Do not call them. Yeah, so, yeah. Gatlinburg reminds me of like International Drive in Orlando, just with hills. But all the people from Florida, they'll come here before they'll go to Orlando, Kissimmee, St. Cloud. Look at them block the whole intersection. You know none of these people are from here. New Jersey. There's an Illinois. Texas was our lane blocker. That's just awesome. Come to East Tennessee and block the roadways, and then get mad at other people when they come to your neighborhood and do the same thing that you do when you're a tourist. Alright, well that was Gatlinburg. We're heading out now. There's not much on this side of town. It's crazy. Look at all the people coming to Gatlinburg this early in the morning. Man, they haven't even got the sidewalks rolled out yet, and people are already just flooding this area. The next town's Pigeon Forge. I don't know if I'll run... I don't think I'll run video in Pigeon Forge. And why... What always gets me is, why are there so many pancake restaurants? What's the deal? Do all of y'all come from wherever you're from just to get pancakes? Man, pancakes is like the cheapest thing in the world that you could possibly make at home. But something to think about. Hey, if you got a laugh out of that little short video, hit the thumbs up button. You know, give me a like. Maybe YouTube will give me 1 cent for it. Alright, see you later. I'm headed to Pigeon Forge.